So I was perusing my local AliExpress the other day, and I was like, I'm going to look at some counterfeit products, because counterfeit products are always fun to look at. You know, came across the standard affair of Adidas and Nike instead of Nike, all those kind of things. And then I'm like, what Apple-related bootleg stuff is there? You know, I was expecting like maybe phone cases, t-shirts, those kind of things. And then I went into the automotive section, just on a whim, and I came across this little guy. Now this is a replacement bulb for your car. And as you can see, it's shaped like an Apple logo. I don't know why. I'm assuming some intern or something was charged with creating a new cheap 99-cent light bulb for some LED company in China, and they're like, have at it, kid, you can do whatever you want. And they're looking around the room, they're like, what can I rip off today? Nintendo? No. Oh, look, an iPhone. Let's rip that off. And so this strange, obscure product was born. Yeah, that's about it really. It's just a weird little product. I'll quickly go over what's on the board here for people that aren't really familiar with electronics or aren't familiar with automotive bulbs and things like that. Let's get that into focus. Leave in focus. I'll put it on the table here. So on the back here, you've got some resistors. On the other side, you've got some more resistors. And then you've got two big resistors. Oh, actually, you've just got one. You've got one big resistor here. And then you have a bridge rectifier here. Now, these resistors on both sides here, and here, they're two full cars that are equipped with CAN bus. Now, what CAN bus is it's a communication network bus that's for cars. It's usually used in European cars. All it does is, in terms of light bulbs, it just detects a current to see if that light bulb's actually working. So in older cars, newer ones, I think they use a slightly different setup, but older cars that were equipped with CAN bus, they would check the current on each bulb, see how much power it's drawing. Now that's fine because the car's used to using incandescent bulbs, and incandescent bulbs use a lot of power. They draw a lot of current, whereas LED bulbs don't. So the computer in the car thinks, oh, this isn't drawing very much power at all. It must be a blown bulb. So it puts up the replace bulb little light on your dashboard. And to get around that, all they do is they just make this little bulb, or this light, draw more power so it looks like an incandescent bulb. And the way they do that is they simply just put some resistors straight across the positive and negative. Now, this big resistor on the back, that is the main power resistor for all these LEDs. These LEDs are more than likely, well, it looks like they are. They're all in series. And then on the back here, it will not focus, we have a full wave bridge rectifier, which all it does is means that the positive and negative can be any way, which way around, and then they come out the correct way for the LEDs. Focus on the front there. Anyway, I just thought this would be a kind of a funny little video. Take a look at a strange, squeezy little product. And yeah, next time, see ya.